Hi, I'm Dr. Leah Jackman Whitener, President and founder of Life Balance for Lawyers. And I want to tell you a little bit today about the people I work with and what it is we do. I work with the kind of person who lays in bed at night and thinks, is this all there is? Here I am, I've got everything going for me, great career, great family, I'm smart, I should have it all together, and yet I'm not happy. Why not? The person who doesn't understand the puzzle that is his or her own life. Those are my best clients. My clients are people who know that there is more. They live in this very deep space inside themselves where they're questioning things and they just can't figure out how it all goes together. My best gift in life, I guess, is that I understand people. I have spent an entire career helping people figure themselves out. And actually, when I look back, it's sort of just who I've always been my entire life, is to try and help people figure themselves out, understand why they do what they do, and what to do about that. So my clients come to me and say things like, gosh, I'm overworked. And I help them dissect that to figure out what's the real issue that's going on. Because maybe I'm overworked or I'm putting in too many hours means that they're not effectively managing their time because they're stressed and that's creating some kind of procrastination dynamic. Or maybe it means that they've chosen the wrong clientele. They are asking themselves to do something that's out of character or doesn't really fit their best skills and gifts. Or maybe it's that they're putting in too many hours at work because they're avoiding something at home. So whatever that issue is, our job would be to dissect and figure out what is it that's actually bothering you. How do we help you figure out those challenges, the places you get stuck, the places where the old tapes in your head kind of impede your progress in life? My job is to help you figure those out and resolve them so that you can be more effective in your life. I'm really looking forward to connecting with you and seeing how I might be able to be of service in your life.